Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Big 5 token. BFT is the ticker symbol. This token's up 66.7% today. This token just got listed on CoinGecko yesterday. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box and let's get into this token here. So first thing right off the bat, I'm just going to tell you that there is a warning here on CoinGecko about this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. Yes, so thoroughly investigate this token first before purchasing anything because, you know, that warning says that it is a potential scam. So I'm not saying it is a scam. It potentially could be, and that's why you definitely need to do your own research before investing because of that warning. Now, BFT is the ticker symbol. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap, and you would trade your BSC for the BFT token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you could find it on their BSC scan, which is on CoinGecko, or their official webpage, which is nzvedazbig5.io. They also have a Twitter, Facebook, Telegram listed on CoinGecko, along with the price chart, contract address, all of that on here as well. Now, you might have to set slippage if you're buying this token, but we're going to go over the tokenomics in a second here and see if there is taxes. So total supply of this token, according to their BSC scan, is 100 billion tokens. There is 9,175 holders so far. So a lot of holders, 33,145 transfers, and 9 decimal places on this token. So if we go to their official webpage, which is listed on CoinGecko, you're going to find most of the information over there. If you want to stay up to date with news, of course, you're going to want to follow their socials. So, introducing the Big 5 token marketplace. The wait is finally over. Countdown has kicked in and euphoria has taken over. The 1st of October 2022, we are launching a live version of Africa's first NFT marketplace. The finest, the pride and hope of Africa, Afrocentric and contemporary artwork will be tradable on that day. It is time for Africa. It says now available on PancakeSwap. So the Big 5 project is building Africa's first NFT trading platform. Big 5 aims to introduce to African artists to the exciting world of digital art as NFTs, while at the same time exposing African art to the wider audience. The Big 5 project aims to bring exclusive art and artifacts from Africa's prominent artists across the whole industry spectrum, from musicians to dancers, writers, actors, painters, and sculptors. Please ensure you follow us through our social media, where we will announce artists that will sign to trade their NFTs on our platform. African art has never taken its fair share of the multi-billion-dollar industry. It's a fact that a lot of African art and artifacts were stolen from African countries and is currently being displayed in European museums. The artists who produced the works have never been compensated. Our NFT marketplace, built on the Binance Smart Chain, will ensure that the ownership of the art and artifacts benefits from the security of blockchain. Big Five NFT platform aims to equalize the art market, especially for African artists, by offering a platform in which they can mint, digitize, and monetize their art. So, the Big Five NFT Marketplace is a decentralized marketplace for original African art in digital form or newly minted NFTs. The digital assets can be traded on the platform. All art forms are digitized, from painters to musicians, writers, actors, and sculptors. The Big Five is the first NFT place dedicated to African art. Now, the Big Five token, BFT, the native currency of the NFT marketplace, will be used to pay marketplace fees as well as purchases on the marketplace, as well as provide liquidity, and will be used to store value and contribute to the development of the blockchain. Also, the African Metaverse: buy, sell, develop land, live, play, and do business with other citizens of the truly breathtaking African Metaverse. Tokenomics. So, 15% of the tokens go to the Big Five team. 10% goes to marketing and operation costs. 25% initial circulation. 12.5% business development and special projects. 12.5% goes to liquidity provision, 25% locked reserve. And then if you want to subscribe to their newsletter, they have that listed on their webpage as well. Also, they have on their webpage a full white paper if you want to check that out. They've also been audited. So let me click on the audit here. It's going to pop up in a second here. They have 2,332 followers on Twitter. You can find their Twitter at 5_token. So looks like they have a 7-page audit by CoinTool that you could check out, and that's listed at the top of their webpage. They also have a link to buy from PancakeSwap. They have their own store. I'm assuming it's like merch. They have their BSC scan, white paper audit, and roadmap. So if I click on roadmap, we'll see if that works. It does work. So they started in the fourth quarter of 2021 with website, socials, BFT token, smart contract, and TGE. Then first quarter 2022, team assembly, PancakeSwap, initial liquidity raised, white paper 1.0. Second quarter this year, official launch, strategic partners engaged, liquidity locked and security audit, token vesting, token burn 1% a month. Third quarter this year, artist recruitment and engagement, charity partners, NFT marketplace, testnet, African Metaverse development. Fourth quarter this year, African Metaverse testnet, NFT marketplace, mainnet launch, play to earn games development. And then first quarter 2023, African Metaverse launch, play to earn testnet, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing. And that's all the info basically on their page, besides their white paper that you could read if you want to. I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.